Hey guys, what's up? So today's show top best rated teacher 11 to 13 up to 13.7. The first one is called Dock Art. Basically set a custom image for your dock. So pretty cool. This is called SuperZoom and unlock 20x zoom on all devices. So pretty cool. This is called Fake Root, tool for simulating super user privileges. This is called Checkra1n. It's also Checkra1n, iOS 13 and 14. And basically what this suite does, it's designed for dark lovers, so it's a theme, and that's what it looks like. This is called Stylish 11, and basically colorfully random way to customize the look and feel of your device. Add extra functionality, color pick for dock, open and close folders, plus many more new features. Over 40 buttons, sliders, and color pickers for each different options. This is called FullPlay. Originally by Alt, update included fits for artwork glitches. So it makes now playing viewing the music app on the iOS 12 and 13 full screen look like the glorious iOS 14 music app. This is called Cronus, and a powerful multitasking manager provides functionality to control the multitasking behavior of your device. So fast freeze, foreground, kill on close, and launch on exit. This is called Battery Waster. Force applications to stay alive while in the background is a simple and easy way to reduce the battery performance of your device. This is called ngxplay 11. Let your iPhone can mirror to CarPlay. So open ngxplay app and choose your choice application enables a CarPlay, configure, and respring. This is called CarBridge iOS 13 Lite, and this is the same thing. It allows you to view the app in CarPlay, so you can basically mirror your phone to CarPlay and have any app that you mirror your phone and CarPlay, so you can watch like movies, TV shows, music, all that cool stuff. This is called Tech Support Framework, framework to assist in providing feedback to developers. This is called libs, symbolocate, spark dev, library to locate memory addresses. This is called lib package info, and provides a library for retrieving information regarding installed packages. This is called lib crash report, library to parse and symbolocate crash reports. This is called Crash Reporter, and basically viewing the details of the crash, determining the possible cause of the said crash. So Crash Reporter Spark Dev is more updated. It's basically viewing the details of the crash, determining the possible cause of a said crash. This is called BioLocker, simple, lightweight, and elegant locker for apps. This is actually a theme called 078, and that's what it looks like. This is called Snowboard, and it's a lightweight spiritual successor to Legendary Winterport theme engine, which iOS 7 and up, one of the best theming tweaks for your device. This is called iBlacklist. Best firewall for iMessages, calls, FaceTime, SMS, and MMS available for your iDevices. This is called Naito Installer. You install Naito TV to your Apple TV 2, SBMC to your iPad, iPhone, iPod, Jailbreak, and Apple TV directly from this universal app. This is called Brawl Stars Bot, and basically plays Brawl Stars for you. This is called Auto Alerts. Auto Alerts lets you automate alert actions. Activate the overlay by long pressing the top of an alert. So when you get an alert, you can actually have like an option for it. So you can basically dismiss it, and so give rid of those annoying alerts. This is called Groupie, group notifications on the lock screen. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe.